Did you know you can legally avoid taxes on your crypto profits by moving offshore? That's right, it's not a myth, nor a gimmick. It's a legal avenue known as the Foreign Earned Income Exclusion. Picture this, you're making substantial profits from your cryptocurrency investments. But instead of giving a large chunk of it to Uncle Sam, you're keeping it to yourself. All while living a luxurious life in a foreign country. Intriguing, right? This opportunity is not just for the high rollers, but for anyone who's smart enough to understand how international tax laws work. In 2024, you can exclude up to $126,500 of your foreign earnings from U.S. income tax. That's quite a hefty sum, but as with everything, there are rules to follow, boxes to tick, and potential downsides to consider. Stick around and we'll dive into how this works and whether it might be the right move for you. So what exactly is the Foreign Earned Income Exclusion, you may ask? Well, in simple terms, it's a tax break offered by the US government to individuals who earn their income in a foreign country. It's designed to alleviate the potential burden of being taxed twice on the same income, once by the United States and once by the country where the income is earned. Here's how it works. If you meet certain criteria, you can exclude up to a certain amount of your foreign earned income from your US income for tax purposes. For the year 2024, this exclusion amount is $126,500. But here's the kicker. This amount is adjusted annually for inflation, so it's likely to be slightly higher each year going forward. Now, you might be wondering what counts as foreign earned income. Well, it's not just your salary or wages, it can also include bonuses, commissions, tips, and yes, even certain types of cryptocurrency income. However, it's important to note that not all income qualifies. For instance, pensions, annuities, social security benefits, and other types of unearned income are not eligible. One key aspect of the foreign earned income exclusion is the requirement of having a tax home in a foreign country. This doesn't just mean living abroad, you must also be engaged in a trade or business in that foreign country. It's not enough to just be touring the world or living off your savings. But perhaps the most intriguing part of this exclusion for cryptocurrency investors is that it applies to foreign earned self-employment income. This means that if you're trading or investing in cryptocurrencies as a business, and you meet all the other requirements, you could potentially exclude a significant portion of your profits from US tax. But how does one qualify for such an exclusion? Let's dig deeper. Now that we know what the foreign earned income exclusion is, let's discuss who can qualify. In order to benefit from the foreign earned income exclusion, there are a few key criteria to be met. First and foremost, you must have foreign earned income. That means income you earn for services you perform in a foreign country. Cryptocurrency investments that you manage while residing in a foreign country could potentially qualify as foreign earned income. Another critical qualifying factor is the establishment and maintenance of a tax home in a foreign country. This is not simply about having a property abroad. Your tax home is your regular place of business, employment, or post of duty, regardless of where you maintain your family home. It's the place where you are permanently or indefinitely engaged to work. Furthermore, meeting certain residency requirements is also a must. The IRS uses two tests for this: the bona fide residence test and the physical presence test. The bona fide residence test considers whether you are a bona fide resident of a foreign country for an uninterrupted period that includes an entire tax year. On the other hand, the physical presence test checks if you were physically present in a foreign country or countries for at least 330 full days during a consecutive 12-month period. It's worth noting that these criteria are not simply checkboxes to be ticked. The IRS looks at the totality of your circumstances, including the nature and duration of your work abroad, your intention regarding the length and nature of your stay, and the nature and pattern of your travel. Remember, while the foreign earned income exclusion can provide significant tax savings, it's not a simple declaration. It requires careful planning, valid documentation, and a clear understanding of the tax laws. Sounds interesting, doesn't it? But what are the benefits for crypto investors? As a crypto investor, you might be wondering how the foreign earned income exclusion can benefit you. Well, let's peel back the layers of this intriguing opportunity. Imagine for a moment you're living a life of luxury in a beautiful foreign country. The sun is shining, the beaches are pristine, and you're pulling in a hefty income from your savvy crypto investments. Sounds too good to be true? With the foreign earned income exclusion, this dream could become your reality. Here's the scoop. The United States government allows you to exclude up to $126,500 of your foreign earned income from your taxable income in 2024. This means you could be earning big from your crypto investments and not have to pay taxes on those earnings up to that exclusion limit. And the cherry on top? This amount is adjusted annually for inflation, meaning it increases each year. But wait, it gets better. If you're self-employed, you can also claim the foreign earned income exclusion on your foreign earned self-employment income. This can significantly reduce your regular income tax, although it won't reduce your self-employment tax. The benefits don't stop at tax savings. Living in a foreign country can offer a lower cost of living, allowing your crypto earnings to stretch even further. Plus, you have the opportunity to immerse yourself in a new culture, explore different landscapes, and enjoy a lifestyle that might be unattainable back home. Remember, to qualify for these benefits, you need to have a tax home in a foreign country and meet certain residency requirements. You still report your income to the IRS, but you're excluded from paying taxes on the foreign earned income amount up to the exclusion limit. So, as a crypto investor, the foreign earned income exclusion can provide a golden opportunity to maximize your profits, live a luxurious life abroad, and minimize your tax liabilities. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some downsides to consider. While the benefits are enticing, there are some downsides to the foreign earned income exclusion. As we've explored, the foreign earned income exclusion offers a significant opportunity for cryptocurrency investors to increase their net income by legally sidestepping taxes on a substantial portion of their earnings. However, it's not all sunshine and tax-free profits. One of the key drawbacks to this approach is that by not paying taxes on your income, you're also not contributing to your Social Security. Now, you might be thinking, I'm making so much money with my crypto investments, I don't need Social Security. And while that may be true, it's important to remember that life is unpredictable. Your investments may not always perform as you expect, and having a safety net like Social Security can provide an added layer of financial security. This means that if you opt for the foreign earned income exclusion, you'll need to be proactive and diligent about setting up your own retirement plan. Whether it's through investments, savings, or even a pension plan in your new home country, you'll need to ensure you have a strategy in place to support yourself in your golden years. Let's also not forget that even though you're excluding a portion of your income from taxation, you're still required to report all your income to the IRS. Yes, even the income that's excluded under this provision, and while the exclusion reduces your regular income tax, it doesn't affect your self-employment tax. So if you're self-employed, you'll still need to factor this into your financial planning. The foreign earned income exclusion is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a tool, and like any tool, it's most effective when used wisely and appropriately. It's also worth noting that the regulations around this exclusion can be complex, so it's crucial to fully understand the requirements and implications before jumping in. So there you have it. The foreign earned income exclusion can be a powerful tool for crypto investors looking to maximize their profits. But as always, it's important to do your research before making any major decisions.